Hey, it's Yanni, and welcome to another HVA vlog. So, how are you, my co-HVAs? And to all aspiring HVAs, how is the application process and the training? If nag-train na po kayo, so yes, laban lang. And yeah, I am still with HelloRage. Been here for 2 years and 5 months, and with a client for 2 years and 3 months. So, for today, we are answering some HVA questions. May nag-comment sa past video ko about answering HVA questions. So, someone commented, this is from Trending Ones. So, may 3 questions siya, and this is in Bisaya. So, I'll just translate so that everyone can understand. So, sabi niya, hello Yan. Hello. Maayong buntag. So, yeah, good morning. Unsay status nimo sa HelloRage? Independent contractor ka? So, yeah, the question is about my status sa HelloRage. So, the answer is yes. We are independent contractors. That's why we are required to register sa BIR. So, during the orientation, before the proper training starts, may orientation doon na about registering sa BIR. So, before during the training, nag-apply na kami kasi may process pa yan. So, start na ng application or ng registration sa BIR kasi before nila i-circulate yung profiles nyo for client matching, dapat may certificate of registration na kayo sa BIR. So, yes, we are independent contractors. We are registered sa BIR. And yes, we are paying taxes. So yes, that's the answer to this question. Second question. While working ka sa client nimo, naga-time in ka sa HelloRage, na kay time tracker with HelloRage. So yeah, tinatanong niya kung may time tracker ba while working. So the answer is yes, we have time tracker. May orientation din about dyan. And then magsiset up kayo with HelloRage before ka mag-start sa client mo. So, once match na yung profile mo with the client, done na yung interview, and then accepted ka na sa client. Before yung first day mo, magsiset up na kayo with HelloRage nung time tracker so that once you start on your first day, nagtra-track ka na. And then, depende yan kung when yung clinic hours or schedule ng clinic ng client mo or your agreement with your client kung kailan ka magsa-start mag-track during your working hours. So, in my case, we should log in 15 minutes before opening ng clinic kasi magsiset up pa ng tools, ganyan. So, dapat once open na yung clinic, ready na kami lahat kasi once open na yung clinic, may papasok na din na calls if may tatawag na. So, dapat naka-open na lahat, tools, yun. So, log in na kami 15 minutes before opening ng clinic. So, nagta-track na kami yun. So, yes, that's the answer. Third and last question for this video. Unsay mga benefits sa HelloRage once connected na ka sa ilaha? Daghang salamat. So, thank you. So, about the benefits. For the benefits, we have HVA support. So, if we have concerns about our client, about our setup, we have HVA support kung saan nag-i-email lang kami anytime we have questions, we have concerns, if we need assistance, if we need IT, ganyan. So, mag-i-email lang kami and then they will help us. So, if you need, example, you need a VPN setup, the IT will help you set up the VPN for free. And then, in my case, may VPN kami pero yung client ko yung nag-provide. So, if you have issues, yung IT ni client yung nag-help sa amin. But kasi may ibang HVAs na yung client nila hindi nagpo-provide ng VPN or if they need other tools, hindi nagpo-provide si client. So, HelloRage will provide for us. And then, for the support, if ever ma-end of service, ma-EOS kami with the client, even if it's our fault, kasi sometimes may na-end of service na because of underperformance, ganyan, or end of service because hindi na need na client yung services namin, HelloRage will be the one to find another client for us. So, that's another, I would say, security. Kasi kahit mawalan kami ng client, HelloRage will find another client for us. And then, ano pa ba? We also have annual healthcare allowance. So, dati, dapat at least 6 months working with a client ka na before mo ma-claim yung annual healthcare allowance. And then, ngayon, sa pagkakaalam ko, dapat at least 1 year. So, yes, if 1 year ka na working with a client, you can apply for the benefit of the annual healthcare allowance. May few requirements lang na dapat mo i-comply and then submit. And then once ma-check na nila and approve, then they will give you the annual healthcare allowance. And then, submit mo lang siya once, and then after that, yearly mo na siya matatanggap. So, in my case, I started with my client September of 2023. So, 6 months after that would be March. End of March. Ito ba? Yeah, end of March. But, na-delay yung pag-claim ko. Kasi siguro hindi ko na malayan na 6 months na pala. So, instead of end of March, parang end of April na yata or early May ko na-submit yung requirements for the benefit of the annual healthcare allowance. So, I submitted it and then approved and then nasama na siya sa payout ko. So, yung annual healthcare allowance, masasama siya sa first payout of the month na nag-submit ka. So, mine was May. So, every first payout of May, of the month of May, masasama yung annual healthcare allowance ko. So, yes, cash nyo siya matatanggap and you have the freedom to choose your insurance or your HMO. So, yun yung gagamitin nyo to pay for that. So, you will be the one to apply or find your insurance or HMO of your choice, and then cash lang yung ibibigay ni HelloRage. Ano pa ba? I think yun lang ang naiisip ko. So, if ever may isip ako, lagay ko na lang siguro sa comments. Or if you have other questions, feel free to post in the comment section and I will do my best to answer them promptly. Kasi sometimes with working with a client, itutulog ko na lang yung rest day ko. So, but yes, I will do my best to create more contents like this about HVAs because I know many of you are interested and have questions. So, yes, feel free to post it in the comment section. I will do my best to answer them. So, for now, that's the questions we have. So, thank you, trending ones, for your questions. And if you have other questions, feel free to add it in the comment section. So, yes, for now, that's all. And I will see you on the purple side. Bye.